I've never met anyone who doesn't like the taste of basil, have you? It's definitely one of the most loved herbs worldwide. In this video, I'll show you how to make an Italian basil cream that's super quick to prepare and perfect for adding extra flavor to a variety of dishes. You'll only need a few ingredients: 35 to 40 grams of fresh basil leaves, 40 grams of soft cheese, like cream cheese, ricotta, or even a plant-based option, 20 grams of pine nuts, and 90 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Just add all the ingredients to a blender: the oil, the cheese, the pine nuts, a pinch of salt, and finally the fresh basil leaves. Blend everything until it becomes a smooth cream. And there you have it, a beautiful, fragrant basil cream in just minutes, with a gorgeous bright green color that will elevate your dishes and give them that extra something special. You can use it to top pizzas and focaccia, on fresh salads, or even in sandwiches and wraps. It keeps in the fridge in an airtight container for 2 days, and you can also freeze it for up to 2 months. Let me know if you try it and tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.